Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Shavonne. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my eyeshadow tutorials, my giveaway videos, or my vlogs slash challenges. We're just going to say challenges because with being on this quarantine shelter in place thing, it's probably going to be kind of difficult to do vlogs besides showing the entirety of my house all the time, which can get quite boring. So I've decided, as I spoke about last week when I did posted my 5-day water fast, how I wanted to take this time during quarantine, shelter in place, to really challenge myself and to really come out of this a better me. So I decided to do a 30-day hair growth challenge, and also I'm going to do a 30-day bikini challenge. So I've already started filming both of those videos, which is why my hair is in twist. I've already done the little treatments or whatever that I'm doing, which will be explained in that video when I get ready to post it. And I've also started, my working out and doing my little daily at-home workout and getting out in the parking lot, doing my jump rope and sprints and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing. Also, let me think, there was something else I was going to say. Oh, I'll also have it posted down below. When I did my big chop, I did the big chop maybe, I think it was 4 years ago or so. So I'll have that video linked down at the bottom, and I'll also have the 5-day water fast linked down at the bottom. And I'll probably go ahead and put my 3-day water fast link down at the bottom too, because that was the first time I ever done a water fast, and it was like touch and go there for a minute. So I'll probably link all those videos down below if y'all would like to catch up on what's been going on or whatever, or like the beginning of me starting these different journeys, so y'all can see where I was before and how far I've came. So yeah, I just want to jump in here real quick and just let everybody know what's going on tomorrow. Next week, of course, on Tuesday, I will have another eyeshadow tutorial. And then on Thursday, coming up Thursday, well, next Thursday, I will try to have a longer vlog or some sort of activity that I'll be doing. So that way it'll be a little bit longer and it won't be just like real short and boring. I hope this is not boring. I just want to let y'all know what was all going on, what my plans were. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, and I will see y'all next week. Bye.